We're all trying to eat a little better, save time, and not lose our minds when it's time to make dinner. So this week, I put Blue Apron's no subscription meals to the test. 3 different dinners. Here's my honest review. With Blue Apron's new format, you don't have to commit to a subscription. You just pick the meals you want when you want them. I ordered 3, 2 assemble and bake tray meals and 1 meal kit. So let's see how they held up on a real weeknight. My box arrived right on my doorstep with everything that I needed for the week. It was packed and ready. All I had to do was open the box and store the meals in the fridge. This creamy tomato gnocchi was for a night where I wanted something comforting but low effort for my family. This one came together in minutes by combining the ingredients directly in the tray. The original version comes with chorizo, but I swapped it for ground beef, which Blue Apron lets you do on most meals. It went in the oven and out came a rich, cheesy meal that required 0 chopping. These assemble and bake meals are perfect when you want a hands-off dinner, but still want something that feels homemade. I made this maple soy glazed salmon one night when the kids weren't home. I was tired and I didn't want to chop anything, but still wanted a meal that felt like date night. It comes with a pre-measured miso soy glazed, carrots, spinach, rice, and even the chili crisp for extra heat. All I did was mix it together, layer the ingredients, pop the tray in the oven, and halfway through, I put the salmon on top, glazed it, and finished it all in one tray. This meal has 36 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber, totally dietitian approved, and it tastes great because all Blue Apron meals are crafted by chefs. Now this next recipe made me feel like I had totally had my life together. I ordered this ginger and lime turkey stir fry meal kit for a let's cook something new night without having to search for a recipe, buying a bunch of things that I'd never use again, or worse, trusting AI and waste ingredients. Now everything came portioned and I only needed olive oil and salt for my pantry. I followed the included recipe card, which comes with visual steps. I cook the rice, quick pickle the cucumbers and carrots, and then cook the ground beef. Assembling was a breeze. Then I just drizzled the spicy mayo over the top to finish it all off. This one felt fun, like restaurant style, but still ready in 25 minutes. I added a couple of dish meals to my order, which are designed for quick reheating in the microwave. I brought the chicken and brown rice bowl to the office, and it was a perfect quick lunch that was ready in 5 minutes. What surprised me most was how much variety and flexibility there are in the weekly menu options. From hands-off to hands-on to kid-friendly, tray bakes to bold, flavorful stir-fries. I loved that I could order what I wanted for the week without needing a subscription, so it was a total win for us. If you want to try Blue Apron for yourself, you can get 50% off your Blue Apron meals using my code LAURA50. I'll drop the link below so you can take a break from the what's for dinner stress.